Hello and welcome to these videos about Revit MEP. The first video here I will show you how to reduce the size of the architectural model so I can handle it in my MEP model. I received this model. It's a model which students have created, and it's far too big to my MEP project. I decided to not to create the systems for the whole model. I only take one story out, and I choose level 11 in this building, and 11 and level 12. This file is about 40 megabytes, and I can reduce it to about 4 megabytes. So I have to do something with this huge model. First, I remove all the links that I do not use, and there's 3 links here. It's the construction link. I can unload it or remove it. I can do it going down to manage link, and there I can unload all these links. Before you do this, you have to take a backup of your file, because if something goes wrong, you can always go back and start again. So remove and remove. This MEP file I looked at it, and there's nothing special in this MEP file, so I just remove it. And now you got the model here, but it's still too big. The next thing I do is to purge all the things, all I do not use, and there's a lot of families and building families I do not use, and I remove it by purging away. And you have to do this a couple of times, because it's won't take all the families away in one step. You have to do it in 3, 4, 5 steps, and when it counts 0, it's fully purged. And the next thing I did was to divide the model into groups, and then I grouped the model into Revit files, and links the files in. I will change to another view, the result. And here you see the same model, but now it's reduced to 1/10 of the size of the original model. And I have 3 links in the model. Stairs. I grouped all the stairs and railings, and then I created an stair and railing file. I grouped all the levels I do not have to use, and then saved it as an Revit file, and linked the model in. In this model I can see nearly all the things I could in the original. I created some room legends, and for especially story 11 and 12 I created rooms. And these rooms, it's important. All the rooms are created before you use this model for a mechanical engineer, or give it to a mechanical engineer, because you know which room is how the room is designed. So you have to choose the name of the room, and the numbers of the room, and the place of the room. And when you have done with all the rooms, you can you can set in if you got a ceiling. For this model there was no ceiling, but I decided to create a ceiling. I go to an elevation, so you can see I have created a ceiling here. Now I think I will go to this section. As you created your floors, you can create your ceilings as well. And the ceilings here, you can see it. It's 2.6 meter above the level 12, the floor. And because the ceilings cannot be copy monitored in your Revit model yet, you have to tell the mechanical engineer where to put the air terminals, and for that I created a level, and ceiling level. It's a reference level at the ceiling plane. So and I have locked this level to the ceiling, so if the architect change the height of the ceiling, I will get noticed in the engineer will get noticed at his MEP model, because I will make a copy monitor for the level. For the level I use, I can copy monitor, and I will show in the next video how to do this and how to use this architectural file. I will just have to show you the model when I unload all these links, and I get some notice. You can ignore it because they will recreate when I reload them. So nothing is going to happen here, so you can easily unload. So I go to 3D view. I have a shortcut 2x3, and my computer is a little slow because I have my Camtasia running, and I have also my real architectural model, 40 megabyte model in the background too. So I got two projects open at a time. This is a model, and in this model I got my two floors and levels. I got the technical floor here, and I got my level 12 as well, and that's what I need for my MEP model. So I save this model. You don't have to unload these Revit links, because when I started up and load this in and links the architectural model into my MEP model, they will remove these links as well. So it's okay to keep them there. I just want to show you how much of the file I could reduce and remove. So I just have what I need, and it's much easier to work with.